You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these mascots for the Paris Olympics 2024. The French pronunciation, of course, it's a French word. It's pronounced in French as phryge. So if it's singular without the S, it's phryge. With an S, it's still phryge because the S is silent because it's French, right? So phryge, phryge, not fridge, phryge. Therefore, in English, phryge, phryge. I know it's a bit of a curious word. The English pronunciation makes it sound a bit strange, but that's how it goes. Phryge. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.